2012 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, dual front airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, automatic stability control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, security system, power door locks, power windows, fog lamps, bed liner, cloth seats, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel, vanity mirrors, cup holders, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.